Hey, so here we are with chapter 4 and more declensions. So we are on chapter 4. We're still on the second declension. But now we are working with neuter nouns. So let's review. Let's talk about some of the, let's go back to the first declension. First declension, lion's share of these are feminine, and the endings are A, AE, AE, AM, and a long A, AE, arum, is, as, is, and these are feminine endings with the exception of agricola, nauta, and poeta. Second declension, us, e, o, o, e, aurum, is, os, is, and these are all masculine. These endings are also second declension, but these are the neuter endings. Um, I, O, O, and then aurum. Let me write that more clearly. Aurum, is, is. So we have some similarities, of course, with the second declension masculine and the second declension neuter. I should label this neuter. Feminine. Second declension neuter. There's one major thing to point out in the neuter nouns of any declension, because we're going to get nouns of the third declension, fourth declension, fifth declension. If it's neuter, the nominative and the accusative, it's always the same, and it doesn't matter what it is. And in fact, when we get to the third declension, they're going to vary. They're going to be all kinds of things. But the nominative and the accusative is always the same. Could pose a problem in translation. Generally it doesn't, but you need to be aware of it. So I suggest that you find a noun of the second declension neuter endings that you can use to memorize your endings with. Like what? Officium is good. Odium is good. Oh, bellum is fairly common. So let's go with bellum, belly, neuter. Bellum, belly, neuter. And that means war. So war is neutral. Let's talk about adjectives. We can talk about officium. You want to talk about officium as or a kiss or a donum? Let's talk about a donum. A donum. This is neuter. Doni. Dono. Donum. Dono. And then in the plural, it's dona, donorum, donis, dona, donis. I have declined the word donum, doni, neuter in the singular and plural. Let's put an adjective on it. Magnus, magna, magnum. In other words, let's talk about some big gifts, some great gifts. This is masculine, this is feminine, and this is neuter. So, a donum magnum is a big gift. Doni magni, dono magno, magno, donum magnum, dono magno, dona magna, donorum magnorum, donis magnis. Dona, magna, and donis, magnis. Now we have put an adjective on dona, and there's not really a lot of exceptions like there was in the the good farmer or the great farmer. This brings me to another point. Now that we've had the neuter endings, you can provide all the forms of, say, magnus. Magnus, magna, magnum. In other words, if we're modifying a feminine noun, we're going to have let's back up. If you're going to modify a masculine noun, don't know what it is, we'll not think of one, maybe a boy, a great boy, you would be it would be magnus, magni, magno, magnum, magno, magni, magnorum, magnis, magnos, magnis. Those are the masculine endings for magnus. Let's write the feminine. Magna, magni, magni, little typo there. Don't know if it's called a typo when you're writing it, but that's okay. Magnam, magna, magni, magnarum, magnis, magnas, magnis. These are the feminine endings. Now let's do the neuter. Magnum, magni, magno, magnum, magno, magna, magnorum, magnis, magna, magnis. There you go. Every adjective that follows this pattern has 30 forms. 10 masculine, 10 feminine, and 10 neuter. What an accomplishment. There you go. You've identified all 30 forms of first and second declension adjectives. That's it. Now, when you come across a noun, let's say we come across a noun. Let's write portam. And we want to talk about a great gate. Portam. Here we go. This is accusative singular feminine. So let's zero in to the accusative singular feminine form of magnum. It is, there it is, magnum. So portam, magnum. Let's say we want to talk about great kisses. There we go, basia. This could be, you don't know, is this nominative or accusative plural neuter? Don't know, doesn't matter. We know that nominative and accusative are the same in the neuter. So let's find a nominative, accusative, plural, neuter form of magnus. Well, it's not over here. It's not masculine. It's not feminine. Hey, there it is. It's neuter. It could be this one, or it could be this one. Here we go. Basia magna. Let's do one more. We've done masculine. Look, we haven't done masculine. Let's do puer. Let's say we want to talk about a puer. Puer is nominative singular masculine. Let's go looking for the nominative singular masculine form of magnum. Magnus aum. Well, we can look over here. It's not neuter. It's not feminine. There you go. Masculine. So nominative singular. Magnus. Puer magnus. But again, now you have all the forms of a first and second declension adjective. There are 30 of them. And you just have to find the right one to match the noun. I hope that makes sense. Practice, practice, practice. If you have questions, please ask.